This might be the most requested XKmax product to date, so I am super excited to introduce to you the XKmax Cube Light. Now, these might look familiar, and that is because they share the same housing as our C3 cubes, and that is no accident. We engineered this housing and its optics over 6 years ago, and it still leads the industry in performance and durability. So instead of reinventing it, we went ahead and we leveled it up. We've taken things even further by integrating a fully redesigned backlight system featuring RGBW addressable LEDs, which means full spectrum color, including a true pure white light, plus dynamic chasing patterns that really bring this light to life. And of course, it is all powered by XKmax, our 5th generation app-controlled lighting system. That means you can sync these lights to your music, match colors using your smartphone's camera, and even tie them into your turn signals. The best part, these cube lights integrate directly into your existing XKmax setup, making them the perfect upgrade to an already dialed-in rig. Because let's be honest, there is no such thing as too much light output, which brings me over to performance. These lights are not just for show. Each cube is packed with 4 high-output 20-watt LEDs, delivering serious brightness whether you are out on the road or off of it. And versatility matters, so we offer these cubes in 4 different beam patterns. The driving and fog lights are engineered for an on-road visibility with SAE-compliant output for safer driving while on the roads. The flood and spotlights are built for off-road, giving you wide coverage or long-distance projection whenever the trail demands it. Plus, with multiple mounting options, including a fog light and flush mount faceplates, you can make these lights fit your build exactly how you want. So if you're looking to upgrade your front-end lighting with something that delivers both performance and style on or off the road, you need to check out the XKmax Cube Light Kit, available right now at XKGLOW.com.